Today we are going to be reviewing this mechanical keyboard that was sent to us by BZFuture.com. This is the E-Yooso K620 87-key mechanical keyboard. Special thanks to BZFuture.com for sponsoring this video. BZFuture.com will be having a big back-to-school sale this August up until September. Simply look for the gadget, software, or any product you want to purchase. Click on the buy now button and you can create your account, or you could just simply continue as guest. Enter my exclusive coupon code to get up to 15% discount off your purchase. Alright, going back, let's now go ahead and take a look at on what are the actual stuff that is included on this E-Yooso K620 mechanical keyboard. So immediately, as you would have noticed, wala siyang number pad dito sa gilid, and it's just a small keyboard. And at the sides, let's look at the sides. This might be the RGB lights. We'll turn this one and test this one on later on. And we also have a fit at the bottom to support the keyboard while on a tabletop. So we also have other peripherals right here. We have here the tools to help us remove the keycaps and as well as the switch. So we also have this custom keycap for the ESC that we can either place on later on, as well as 5 red switches that we can use in case na may magloko or may masirang switch. We could just easily replace those switches with this replacement switch. Aside from that, meron rin siyang included na custom spacebar if yun yung type nyo. It's just for the aesthetics. If you don't want the white and gray design or aesthetic, you could replace the space as well as the S keycap. Alright, now that we have plugged in this keyboard onto our desktop, silipin na natin yung actual looks, features, and design itong E-Yooso K620 mechanical keyboard. As you can already notice, this comes with only 87 keys on it, so hindi siya full-size keyboard, and there are different designs for the E-Yooso K620, and we've been sent the WGO edition, which comes with white, gray, and orange keycaps. So as you can see right now, I have turned off the lights on my setup so that you would be able to see more clearly the lighting effects that this keyboard has. So as you can see that each individual keyboard right now is individually backlit. It also comes with RGB lighting on both the sides of the keyboard, and it comes with 9 lighting modes. The first one is that breathing mode, and this gaming mode wherein if you are playing FPS games, you would most likely be using this movement keys right here. Ito yung usually movement keys, the WASD, as well as yung arrow keys natin on the right. So here's another lighting mode that you can switch easily by using the FN and insert keys on your keyboard. And by the way, you could also adjust the speed of this one just by pressing the FN key on your keyboard, and isasabay nyo yung arrow keys, such as if you want to increase it, I'm pressing right now the FN right arrow keys. And kung gusto naman pabagalin natin, just press FN and the left arrow key. So aside from that, you could also adjust the brightness of the backlighting. And if you want to increase the lighting, just simply press the FN and up arrow keys. So next, moving on, ito na naman yung isa pa niyang lighting modes. Almost similar lang siya dun sa kanina. And let's now go ahead and switch this to this other one. As you can see, it's quite a different lighting effect. It traverses through the keys and then explodes on the letter O, and then it will basically light up the entire keyboard slowly, one at a time. Next, this is also another lighting effect of the keyboard. This is like the basic breathing effect. And also it has this another lighting effect wherein you press a key and it will start pulsing from that key that you've pressed on. Next, meron rin siyang plain lighting mode wherein lahat ng mga keys are well lit and hindi masyadong maraming yung nagbabago or hindi masyadong ma-action yung lighting. And also this is another lighting mode wherein whenever you press a particular key, that particular key that you've pressed will be lit up for 1 to 3 seconds and it will slowly fade over time. As you can see right now, I'm pressing some of the keys and it will slowly fade over time. So this is one of the effects that I really do love the most personally with this keyboard, as again, it's not too distracting. So for my first initial impressions and verdict, the E-Yooso K620 mechanical keyboard is a decent mechanical keyboard that I think deserves recognition. The features that the E-Yooso K620 offers seems to be too good for its price, but testing it out for a week or two, I can say that by far that this mechanical keyboard is a well-designed, compact, feature-rich, and sleek and modern mechanical keyboard that I believe deserves a space on your setup. When using this one, there's only one thing that I notice, and that is if you're used to using full-sized keyboards, you will notice that the keycaps of this keyboard are very slightly smaller than their full-size keyboard counterparts. It takes a few mistakes and getting used to, but after a few hours of usage, you'll most likely be able to adapt to it. So that concludes my review and thoughts with regards to this E-Yooso K620 mechanical keyboard. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Again, it's your Tech here. See you in my next tech videos.